Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing this look. It's only gonna be on the eyes today. I'm gonna try not to be loud because my son is sleeping. Okay, so it's only gonna be on the eyes. I had already done my foundation and contour, and I baked. So the products I use, if you want to know, I'll put them down in the description below, or I might say it in a voiceover because it's gonna be a voiceover. Anyway, so let's just get into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Easy on the Eyes palette and combine the shades 16 and 21 and use that as my blending color. The foundation I use is a Concealer Imperfect from Milani. To contour I use the concealers from Makeup Revolution, and of course my Airspun powder to bake. Now I'm taking the Morphe palette and I'm gonna use the color Rich Girl. This is a jewel tone palette. Make sure to put that in the outer and inner corners only, and I am gonna draw like a little line just to connect those two. And I'm gonna blend that out with the blending color that I used at first, but I'm not gonna put any product on it, if that makes sense. And now I'm gonna mix the shades Rich Girl and 30 from the Sephora palette and apply that to the outer corner and the inner corner, you know what I mean, like in the outsides. So make sure like the darker color is more outside than the lighter color, if that makes sense. And of course blend that out with the blending color that I used before. This time I did apply some product. I'll be cutting the crease with the Maybelline concealer. I'm just trying to match where the line is. So I'm trying to get better with editing, as y'all can see. I'm gonna go back to the Morphe palette and take Purple Rain and apply that to the center of my eye to create that halo. And it's not as pigmented as I want it to be, so I will be spraying that with the setting spray and then reapplying it so it's more pigmented, you know? Yeah, check out my editing skills, y'all. I tried. That's why it took me so long to upload it, because I was actually like really trying. Not that I didn't try the other ones, I just wanted to try something new. Now I'm gonna line my crease with the NYX white eyeliner. I hate this eyeliner because it cracks so easy. So if you guys know another brand that has like the colored eyeliners, please let me know because I hate this one. Now I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetics liquid liner in black. And I know it doesn't look as straight as the other one, but it's okay. Taking my ColourPop white eyeliner and I'm gonna apply that to my waterline, as you guys can see. Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlight, applying that to my inner corner. Such a beautiful highlight, you guys. I love it. Now for my fave, lashes. Removing the pink as go ahead and mix this bronze blush with this pinky blush. As y'all know, I don't really like to use pinks and red blushes just because my cheeks are naturally red, so it will just make it more red, you know. Taking the same highlight, this is such a beautiful iridescent pink highlight. Applying that everywhere. Like, y'all see what I mean? Like, just a little bit of blush goes a long way for me just because I have red cheeks, you know. So I don't like to overdo it. I'm gonna go ahead and use a new lipstick from Maybelline. I believe this is not Maybelline. The shade 252. Was it 252 or 255? Set my face and all done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you hear some crying right now, my bad. My son just woke up. Okay. And I really wanted to create this like purple halo kind of eye, and I was really excited how it turned out, and I'm really happy with it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.